Hey everyone! If you're a student and want to study faster, stay organized, and improve learning using Chrome extensions in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use Chrome extensions for students step by step. First, install student productivity extensions from the Chrome Web Store inside Google Chrome. Look for tools like note takers, focus tools, and grammar checkers to improve studying. Next, use note-taking extensions. This helps you quickly save lecture notes, ideas, and important links while studying online. Now, use focus extensions that block distractions like social media. This helps you stay concentrated during study sessions. After that, use grammar and writing tools. These extensions help you write better assignments, essays, and emails with fewer mistakes. Next, manage your research using saving and organizing tools. This is useful for projects, reports, and academic work. Now, organize your tabs using tab management extensions. This keeps your study materials clean and easy to access. Finally, sync your extensions across devices. This lets you continue studying on laptop, tablet, or phone without losing progress. So yeah, that's how students can use Chrome extensions in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll study smarter, stay organized, and boost your productivity. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more study tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!